In this question, we're trying to find out which one of these four operations on f of x and g of x would not result in a polynomial expression. In other words, which one of these would result in something that is not a polynomial. Looking at the first one, if we add the two together, and if we combine our like terms, we would get x squared plus x plus 12. So yes, that's clearly a polynomial. The second one, if we subtract g of x, we would get x squared plus 9 minus x minus 3. So that simplifies to x squared minus x plus 6. So again, that checks out. That's a polynomial. And then if we multiply these guys here, we're going to get x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x plus 27. And that checks out. That's a polynomial. And which obviously leaves option number 4 as being the only one that is not a polynomial. It's a bit of a trick question because a lot of students make the mistake where they think, oh, x squared plus 9 is an example of difference of squares, where you'd go like x minus 3 times x plus 3, and then you'd be able to cancel out the denominator, which would leave that as a polynomial. The problem with that is that this is not an example of a difference of squares. It's a sum of squares, and there's no way we can factor that. So we cannot do that. So that just kind of shows that that is the simplest form of that expression, and it is not a polynomial. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.